Bonjour everyone and welcome back to How to Pronounce French, the channel where we help you sound like a native French speaker, one word at a time. I'm Mark and in this video we will dive into proper French pronunciation technique. Let's get started. Today we will learn how to pronounce perfectly the word Histoire, which means story or history. Let's go. Histoire, normal speed, slowly. Histoire, very slow. Histoire. Histoire. The H is silent, so begin on the vowel. It's okay? This is not histoire, no, histoire. Okay? And in French, this one word covers both a story and history. The context tells you which. Well done! If you found this video helpful, click the thumb up and subscribe to How to Pronounce French. Thanks for watching and à la prochaine!